all natural numbers n. 3 into 5 to the power of 2n plus 1 plus 2 to the power of 3n plus 1 is divisible by. So first we substituting n is equal to 0. That is 3 into 5 to the power of 2 into 0. That is 2 0 plus 1 5 plus 2 to the power of 3 into 0 plus 1. That is equal to 2. That is equal to 15 plus 2. 15 plus 2. That is equal to 17, and put n is equal to 1. That is equal to 3 into 5 to the power of 2 plus 1, that is 3, plus 2 to the power of 3 plus 1 is 4. That is equal to 3 into 5 cube 125 plus 2 to the power of 4 16. 3 into 125. This is 375 plus 16. That is equal to 391. So 391 is written as 17 into 23. So this is divisible by 17. Here common multiple is 17. So the given function is divisible by 17. If z is equal to x plus iy is a complex number and under root of x square minus 2x plus 8 plus x plus 4 into I is equal to y into 2 plus I, then z is equating real parts, that is equating real parts, that is under root of x square minus 2x plus 8 is equal to 2y. The squaring on both sides, that is x square minus 2x plus 8 is equal to 4y square, and equating imaginary parts, that is x plus 4 is equal to y. Here the value is x plus 4, substituting in this equation, that is x square minus 2x plus 8 is equal to 4 into y square. Y value is x plus 4, that is x plus 4 whole square. So x square minus 2x plus 8 is equal to 4 into x square plus 8x plus 16. X square minus 2x plus 8 is equal to 4x square plus 32x plus 64. So here 4x square minus x square, this is 3x square minus plus 32x minus plus 2x, this is 34x plus 64 minus 8, that is 56 is equal to 0. So factors of 56 into 3 is 6 into 28. This is 3x square plus 6x plus 28x plus 56 is equal to 0. Take 3x common, that is x plus 2 plus 28 common. This is x plus 2 is equal to 0. From this x plus 2 is equal to 0, that is x is equal to minus 2. And y value is y is equal to x plus 4, that is minus 2 plus 4 is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2. Therefore z is equal to x plus iy. X is minus 2 plus I into y value is 2. If n is a positive integer and is not a multiple of 3, if omega is non-real cube roots of unity, then omega power n plus omega power 2n is. Here is given n is a positive integer and not a multiple of 3. So take n is equal to 2. That is omega square plus omega power 4. That is equal to omega square plus omega cube into omega. We know that omega cube value is 1. Omega square plus omega, that is equal to minus 1. If n is a positive integer, then 1 plus I whole to the power of n by 1 minus I whole power n is equal to minus I. Then n will be of the form 1 plus I whole to the power of n by 1 minus I whole to the power of n is equal to minus I. So this is 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole to the power of n. This is equal to minus I. We know that 1 plus I by 1 minus I. This value is I. I to the power of n is equal to minus I. That means substituting n is equal to 3. That is I cube is minus I, and substitute n is equal to 7. That is I to the power of 7 is minus I and 11 up to dash dash. These terms are in AP. That is Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here a value is first value, that is 3, and n minus 1 into d. D is common difference, that is 7 minus 3, 4. That is equal to 3 plus 4n minus 4. That is equal to 4n minus 1. So the n will be in the form of 4n minus 1. If the minimum value of the quadratic expression x square plus 5x minus 2 is capital M, and it is exists at small a, then capital M by small a value is. Here is given expression is x square plus 5x minus 2. So here a value is x square coefficient, that is 1, and b value x coefficient 5, and constant term c is minus 2. Here m is given minimum value, capital M. Minimum value is 4ac minus b square by 4a. That is 4 into a value 1, c value minus 2, minus b square, that is 25, by 4a, that is 4 into 1. So this is minus 8 minus 25 by 4, that is equal to minus 33 by 4. And small a is given. This is minimum value exists at small a, that is minus b by 2a. Here minus b, that is minus 5 by 2 into a1, that is equal to minus 5 by 2. Therefore capital M by small a is equal to minus 33 by 4 by minus 5 by 2. Here minus minus cancel, and 2 times cancel, that is equal to 33 by 10. 5 into 2, 10. This is equal to 3.3. Therefore capital M by small a is equal to 3.3. If alpha comma beta comma gamma are the roots of x cube minus 3x square minus 4x plus 12 is equal to 0, then sigma of alpha plus beta whole square is. Here alpha, beta, gamma are the roots. We know that sigma alpha, that is alpha plus beta plus gamma, is equal to minus b by a. That is equal to minus of b value is minus 3 by a, that is 1. This is equal to 3. And sigma alpha beta, that is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, is equal to c by a. Here c value is minus 4 by 1, that is equal to minus 4. And sigma alpha beta gamma is equal to, that is d by a, minus d by a. Here minus d, that is minus 12 by 1 is equal to minus 12. And now we find the value of sigma of alpha plus beta whole square, that is equal to alpha plus beta whole square plus beta plus gamma whole square plus gamma plus alpha whole square. Here removing sigma, that is alpha plus beta whole square, alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta, beta plus gamma whole square, that is beta square plus gamma square plus 2 beta gamma plus gamma square plus alpha square plus 2 gamma alpha. that is equal to alpha square plus alpha square, that is 2 alpha square plus 2 beta square plus 2 gamma square. Let's take 2 common, that is 2 alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, that is equal to, take 2 common, this is alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus 2 into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, that is equal to 2 into alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square is written as alpha plus beta plus gamma whole square minus 2 alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha plus 2 into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to 2 into alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is 3 square is 9 minus 2 into alpha beta plus beta gamma gamma alpha, this is minus 4 plus 2 into this value is minus 4, it is equal to 2 into 9 plus 8 minus 8, 9 plus 8 is 17, 17 into 2, this is 34, 34 minus 8, that is equal to 26. If the coefficient of x cube in the binomial expansion of x cube into 2 root 3 x square plus 1 by kx whole to the power of 12 is 880, then the value of k is. Now we find out the coefficient of x cube in this equation. So in this expansion, here is given x cube into this expansion is given. That means write down the independent term in this expansion. That is, expansion is 2 root 3 x square plus 1 by kx whole to the power of 12. Write down the independent term, that is CR plus 1 is equal to 12CR 2 root 3 x square whole to the power of 12 minus r into 1 by kx whole to the power of r. So write down the coefficient of power of x, that is x to the power of 2 into 12 minus r, that is 24 minus 2r into x to the power of minus r is equal to x to the power of 0, that is 24 minus 3r is equal to 0. So 3r is equal to 24. From this, r is equal to 8. So substituting r is equal to 8 in tr plus 1, that is t8 plus 1 is equal to 12c8 2 root 3 x square whole to the power of 12 minus 8 into 1 by kx whole to the power of 8. This is coefficient of, this is 12c8 2 root 3 whole to the power of 4 into 1 by k to the power of 8. Here x square whole power 4, x power 8 cancelled. This value is given 880. 12c8. This 12c8 is equal to 12c8 12 minus 8, that is equal to 12c4. This is 12c4, that is 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 2 root 3 whole power 4, that is 2 power 4 is 16 root 3 whole power 4, that is 3 square, this is 9 by k power 8 is equal to 880. So 4 into 3 12, 12 cancel, this 2 here 5 times cancelled, that is equal to 5 into 11, this is 55 into here 9 into 9, 81 into 16 by k power 8 is equal to 880. That is equal to, from this k power 8 is equal to 55 into 81 into 16 by 880. So here 5, 11 5s are 55, 138, that is 7 into 5, 35, 36, 176. So that is equal to, so therefore k power 8 is equal to, simplify this, we get this is 81. So here 11 into 16, this 176 cancelled. K power 8 is equal to 81. K power 8 is equal to, this is 3 to the power of 4. So k is equal to 3 to the power of 4 by 8. This is equal to 3 to the power of 1 by 2. Therefore k is equal to root 3. This is the value of k. The middle term in the expansion of 4x cube minus 15 by 4x whole power 8 is, here n is equal to, here is given 8. This is even number. Therefore r is equal to 8 by 2 plus 1. That is equal to 4 plus 1. This is equal to 5. Here 5 is the middle term in the given expansion. Therefore T5 is equal to T4 plus 1 is equal to 8C4 4x cube whole to the power of 8 minus 4 into minus 15 by 4x whole to the power of 4. That is 8C4. 8C4 is 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 4x cube whole power 4. This is 4x cube whole power 4 into minus 15 whole power 4. That is minus 15 whole power 4 is positive. That is 15 power 4 by 4 power 4 into x to the power of 4. Here 4 into 2, 8 cancel. This 3 2 times cancel. So 5 into 7, 35, 35 into 2, 70. 70 into here 4 power 4, 4 power 4 cancelled. That is 15 x cube. That is 15 x cube whole to the power of, here x cube 15 whole to the power of 4 by x to the power of 4. So here x power 3 into 4 12. X power 12 by x power 4. That is equal to 70 into 15 whole power 4 into x to the power of 12 by x power 4. Here x power 4 cancelled. Here is, that is 8. That is equal to 70 into 15. Here x power 8, that is x square whole to the power of 4. This is the middle term in the given expansion. Sine 20 degrees into sine 40 degrees into sine 60 degrees into sine 80 degrees. We know that sine 60, that is sine 60 value is root 3 by 2. So this is root 3 by 2 into sine 20 sine 40 into sine 80. That is equal to root 3 by 2 into this value, sine 20 into sine 40 is sine 60 minus 20 into sine 80. This is sine 60 plus 20. We know that sine A into sine of 60 minus A into sine of 60 plus A is equal to 1 by 4 into sine 3A. This is the formula. So applying this formula, that is equal to root 3 by 2 into 1 by 4 into sine 3A. Here A value is 20 degree. That is equal to root 3 by 2 into 4. This is 8 into sine 60. That is root 3 by 8 into sine 60. This is root 3 by 2. root 3 into root 3. This is 3 by 16. If a is not an integral multiple of pi by 2, then cosec 2a plus cot 2a is. So this is cosec 2a plus cot 2a. That is cosec 2a is 1 by sine 2a plus cot 2a. This is cos 2a by sine 2a. That is equal to 1 plus cos 2a by sine 2a. 1 plus cos 2a. We know that this is 2 cos square a by sine 2a. This is 2 sine a cos a. Here 2 cancel, 1 cos a cancel. That is equal to cos a by sine a. That is equal to cot a. In triangle ABC, if 1 by a plus b plus 1 by c plus a is equal to 3 by a plus b plus c, then sin a is dash. So put a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to 1 in the given equation. That is 1 by a plus b, that is 1 by 1 plus 1, 1 by c plus a, 1 plus 1 is equal to 3 by 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 3. So half plus 1 is equal to 1. So equation is satisfied. So the values of ABC is 1. First we find S. S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. That is 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 3 by 2. And delta is equal to under root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. That is equal to 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 minus 1. That is 1 by 2. 3 by 2 minus 1. 1 by 2. This is also 1 by 2. That is equal to root 3 by 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8 into 2, 16. This is 4. Root 3 by 4. We know that delta is equal to ABC by 4R. From this 2R is equal to ABC by 2 delta. That is ABC 1 into 1 into 1 by 2 into delta. This is root 3 by 4. 2 times cancel. That is equal to 2 by root 3. Now we find sin A. Sin A is equal to A by 2R from the sine rule. Here A value is 1 into 2 into 2R. That is 2 value is 2 by root 3. That is equal to root 3 by 2. So sin A is equal to root 3 by 2. If the angles of a triangle ABC are in AP, then so here angles are capital A comma capital B comma capital C are in AP. That is AP means 2 capital B is equal to capital A plus capital C. Add B on both sides, that is 2B plus B is equal to A plus B plus C. This is 3B is equal to, we know that A plus B plus C in triangle ABC, that is 180 degrees. So angle B is equal to 180 by 3, that is 60 degrees. We know that from cosine rule, that is B square is equal to A square plus C square minus 2AC cos B. Substituting angle B, that is A square plus C square minus 2AC into cos 60. Here cos 60 is 1 by 2. A square plus C square minus 2AC into 1 by 2. Here 2 cancel. Therefore B square is equal to A square plus C square minus AC. In any triangle ABC, 1 plus cos of A minus B into cos C by 1 plus cos of A minus C into cos B. We know that in triangle ABC, A plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees. Substituting this condition in this, that is 1 plus cos of a minus b into cos c. This is cos of 180 minus of a plus b by 1 plus cos of a minus c into cos of 180 minus of b value is a plus c. That is equal to 1 plus cos of a minus b into cos of 180 minus theta, that is minus cos theta. This is minus cos of a plus b. Here this is minus by 1 plus cos of a minus c into cos of 180 minus theta. This is minus cos, that is 1 minus cos of a minus c into cos of a plus c. That is equal to 1 minus cos of a minus b into cos of a plus b. This is cos square a minus sin square b by 1 minus cos of a minus c into cos of a plus c. This is cos square a minus sin square c. That is equal to 1 minus cos square a plus sin square b by 1 minus cos square a plus sin square c. That is 1 minus cos square a. This is sin square a plus sin square b by sin square a plus sin square c. From sin rule, sin a value is a by 2r. A by sin a is equal to a by sin a is equal to 2r. From this, sin a is equal to a by 2r. Substituting this value, that is sin square a square by 4r square plus sin square b square by 4r square like a square by 4r square plus c square by 4r square. So take LCM 4r square cancelled, that is a square plus b square by a square plus c square. In any triangle ABC, b minus c cos a by c minus b cos a. We know that projection rules, that is b is equal to a cos c plus c cos a. From this, b minus c cos a is equal to a cos c. And we know that small c is equal to a cos b plus b cos a. From this, c minus b cos a is equal to small a into cos b. So substituting this, that is b minus c cos a, that value is a cos c by c minus b cos a, that is small a cos b. That is equal to small a. We know that from small a, here a cancelled. That is equal to cos c by cos b. This is the answer. If alpha comma beta are scalars and r bar is equal to 2 plus alpha minus 3 beta into I plus beta minus 3 into j plus 2 alpha minus 5 beta minus 1 into k bar is a equation of plane, then the equation in Cartesian form. We know that r bar is equal to xi plus yj plus zk. That is, substituting this is in the given equation, that is xi plus yj plus zk is equal to 2 plus alpha minus 3 beta into I plus beta minus 3 into j plus 2 alpha minus 5 beta minus 1 into k. From this, x is equal to 2 plus alpha minus 3 beta, equating I bar coefficients, and equating j bar coefficients, y is equal to beta minus 3. From this, beta is equal to y plus 3. Substituting this value in the first equation, that is x is equal to 2 plus alpha minus 3 into beta, that is beta is y plus 3. X is equal to 2 plus alpha minus 3y minus 9. So this is x plus 3y. This is 2 minus 9 minus 7. This is plus 7 is equal to alpha. This is the alpha value. This is beta value. And equating k bar coefficients, that is z is equal to 2 alpha minus 5 beta minus 1. Substituting alpha and beta, that is 2 into alpha x plus 3y plus 7 minus 5 into beta means y plus 3 minus 1. Z is equal to 2x plus 6y plus 14 minus 5y minus 15 minus 1. Therefore, z is equal to 2x plus 6y minus 5y. This is y. 14 minus 15 minus 1 minus 2. So therefore, 2x plus y minus z minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of the plane in Cartesian form. Let a bar comma b bar comma c bar be 3 unit vectors such that a cross b cross c is equal to half b bar. The angle between a bar and b bar is theta 1 and the angle between a bar and c bar is theta 2. Then theta 1 plus theta 2 is, it is given a cross b cross c is equal to half b bar. And A, B, C are the 3 unit vectors. That means mod A is equal to mod B is equal to mod C is equal to 1. So we know that A cross B cross C, that is A dot C into B bar minus A dot C into A dot B into C bar, that is equal to half B bar. Equating B bar coefficients, that is A bar dot B bar is equal to half. And equating C bars, that is A bar dot B bar is equal to 0. So we know that A bar dot C bar, that is mod A mod C into cos of angle between A and C is given. A and C, that is theta 2. That is cos theta 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Here mod A1 mod C1, that is cos theta 2 is equal to 1 by 2, that is equal to cos 60. So theta 2 is equal to 60 degrees. And A dot B is equal to 0. This is A dot B is equal to 0 means A and B are perpendicular. Angle between these two is given theta 1. Therefore, theta 1 is equal to 90. Now we find theta 1 plus theta 2. That is equal to 90 plus 60. That is equal to 150. If P of A union B is equal to 0.8 and P of A intersection B is equal to 0.3, then P of A complement plus P of B complement is, this is P of A complement plus P of B complement. That is P of A complement is 1 minus P of A plus P of B complement. This is 1 minus P of B. That is equal to 2 minus of P of A plus P of B. That is equal to 2 minus of P of A plus P of B. This is P of A union B plus P of A intersection B. That is equal to 2 minus P of A union B. This is 0.8 plus 0.3. That is equal to 2 minus 1.1. That is equal to 0.9. If capital A 2 comma 3 and capital B 3 comma minus 2 are two fixed point and Px comma y is a variable point satisfying the condition modulus of Pa minus Pb is equal to 2, then the locus of P is. So here is given mod of PA minus PB is equal to 2. From this, PA minus PB is equal to plus or minus 2. So PA is equal to PB plus or minus 2. So this is squaring on both sides. This is PA square is equal to PB square plus 4 plus or minus 4 PB. PA square, we know that is x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. That is equal to PB square. This is x minus 3 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square plus 4 plus or minus 4 PB. So x minus 2 whole square, this is x square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square minus 6y plus 9, that is equal to x minus 3 whole square, this is x square minus 6x plus 9, and y plus 2 whole square, this is y square plus 4y plus 4 plus 4 plus or minus PB, 4 PB. Here x square cancel and y square cancel. Here plus 9 cancel and plus 4 cancel. Here minus 4x, take this side, that is minus 4x minus 6y is equal to, this is plus 6x minus 4y minus 4, that is equal to plus or minus 4 PB. This is minus 4x plus 6x, this is 2x minus 6y minus 4y, this is minus 10y minus 4 is equal to plus or minus 4 PB. So take 2 common, this is x minus 5y minus 2 is equal to plus or minus 4 PB. Again 2 times cancel, again squaring on both sides, that is x minus 5y minus 2 whole square is equal to plus or minus, that is plus 4 PB square, that is equal to 4 into PB square, this is x minus 3 whole square plus y plus 2 square. So therefore x minus 5y minus 2 whole square is equal to 4 of x minus 3 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square. This is the required answer. If an angular bisector of the coordinate axis is one of the lines of x square plus 2axy plus 3y square is equal to 0, then sum of all possible values of small a is. So this is x-axis and y-axis, angular bisectors of coordinate axis. This line is the angular bisector, that is divided in two parts. This line is y is equal to x, and this is also angular bisector of coordinate axis. This is y is equal to minus x, that is x minus y is equal to 0 and x plus y is equal to 0. These two are the angular bisectors of coordinate axis, and the combined equation of these two is x square minus y square is equal to 0. So this is one of the line is x square plus 2axy plus 3y square is equal to 0. Equating these two, x square coefficients are equal and minus 1 by 2a, that is equating xy coefficient, that is 2a is equal to 0. From this a is equal to 0. This is the value of small a. If alpha comma beta are the roots of x square plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, and gamma comma delta are the roots of y square minus y plus 4 is equal to 0, then the equation of the circle having alpha comma gamma and beta comma delta as ends of a diameter is. Here alpha comma beta are the roots of this equation, that is x minus alpha into x minus beta is equal to x square plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, and gamma comma delta are the roots, that is x minus gamma This is y minus gamma into y minus beta, y minus delta is equal to y square minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. And the equation of the circle having alpha comma gamma and beta comma delta are the ends of a diameter, that is x minus alpha into x minus beta plus y minus gamma into y minus delta is equal to 0. That is x minus alpha into x minus beta, that is given x square plus 2x minus 3 plus y minus gamma into y minus delta, that is y square minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. This is x square plus y square plus 2x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle. If h, k, p, q not equal to 0 and the circles x square plus y square plus 2hx plus 2ky is equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus 2px plus 2qy is equal to 0 touch each other at the origin, then the value of hq minus pk minus hq by pk is, here is given circles is x square plus y square plus 2hx plus 2ky is equal to 0 and second circle is x square plus y square plus 2px plus 2qy is equal to 0. So these two circles are touch each other at origin. That is, write down the coefficient of x. This is 2h and the coefficient of y. This is 2k and 2p, 2q. These are touch each other at in, that determinant of this value is equal to 0. That is 4hq minus 4pk is equal to 0. From this, hq is equal to pk. So substituting this is in the given, that is hq minus pk, that is hq minus pk value is hq minus hq by pk value is also hq. Here hq cancelled. So again hq cancel, that is equal to minus 1. The length of the lattice rectum of the conic 25 into x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 3x minus 4y plus 7 whole square is. This is x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 3x minus 4y plus 7 whole square by 25. That is equal to 3x minus 4y plus 7 by 5 whole square. This is equal to 3x minus 4y plus 7 by 5 is, that is root over 3 square plus 4 square whole square. So this is the parabola. SP square is equal to PM square. Now here vertex is equal to capital A 2 comma 3 and directrix is equal to, this is 3x minus 4y plus 7 is equal to 0. Now we find the length of lattice rectum is equal to 4a. This is equal to 2 into 2a, that is 2 into 2a means distance from vertex to directrix, that is equal to 2 into distance, that is modulus of 3 into 2 minus 4 into 3 plus 7 by under root of 3 square plus 4 square, that is equal to 2 into 3 into 2 6 minus 12 minus 6 plus 7, that is 1 by 5, that is equal to 2 by 5. This is the length of the lattice rectum. The sum of the focal distances of the point 4 by root 5 comma 3 by root 5 on the ellipse 9x square plus 4y square is equal to 36 is. Here is given ellipse, that is 9x square plus 4y square is equal to 36. That is 9x square by 36 plus 4y square by 36 is equal to 1. This is x square by 4 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. So here is a square is equal to 2. A square is equal to 4. A is equal to 2. And b square is equal to 9. B is equal to 3. This is b greater than a ellipse. Sum of the focal distances, that is SP plus S dash P is equal to 2B, because this is B greater than A. If A greater than B, that is 2A. That is 2 into B value is given, that is 3. That is equal to 6. So sum of the focal distances SP plus S dash P is equal to 6. If the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1, here a greater than b is given. As eccentricity and the length of the latus rectum respectively 5 by 4 and 9, then AB is equal. Here eccentricity is given, this is 5 by 4, and the length of the latus rectum LLR is equal to 9. This LLR is 2b square by a is equal to 9. This is 2b square is equal to 9a. For hyperbola, b square value is a square into e square minus 1 is equal to 9a. So 1a cancel. That is 2a into e square. E is 5 by 4. That is 25 by 16 minus 1 is equal to 9. That is 2a into 25 minus 16 by 16. That is 9 by 16 is equal to 9. Both sides 9 cancel. So 2a is equal to 16. From this, a is equal to 8. And from this equation, 2b square is equal to 9a. That is, a is 8. From this, b square is equal to 2 4 times cancelled. That is 9 into 4, that is equal to 36. B is equal to 6. Therefore, product of AB is equal to 8 into 6 is equal to 48. The ratio in which capital B 33 by 5, 28 by 5, 38 by 5 divides the line segment joining capital A 3 to 4 and capital C 9, 8, 10 is. Here is the line segment, this is capital A and this is capital C. So this point is x1, y1, z1. This is x2, y2, z2. This is divided at point B, x comma, y comma, z. Now we find the ratio. The ratio B divides the line segment AC in the ratio. That is, ratio is equal to x1 minus x is to x minus x2. This is the formula. x1, that is x1 is given 3 minus x, B point is, that is 33 by 5 is to 33 by 5 minus x2 minus 9, that is equal to 10 minus 33 by 5 is to 33 minus 45 by 5. Here 5 cancel, that is equal to 10 minus 33. 5 into 3, this is 15. 15 minus 33. This is minus 18 is to 33 minus 45. This is minus 12. Minus cancel. 18 is to 12. 6 3s are 6 2s are. That is equal to 3 is to 2. This is the required ratio. If f maps to R to R, defined as f of x is equal to x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 2 by x square plus x minus 2, when x is not equal to minus 2, is continuous at x is equal to minus 2, then f of minus 2 is. We know that f of minus 2 is equal to limit x tends to minus 2 f of x. That is equal to limit x tends to minus 2 f of x, that is x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 2 by x square plus x minus 2. So substituting x is equal to minus 2, this is 0 by 0 form. So take derivation, that is x cube derivation, this is 3x square plus 2x square derivation 4x plus 1 by x square derivation 2x plus x derivation is 1. This is limit x tends to minus 2. Substituting minus 2, that is 3 into minus 2 whole square plus 4 into minus 2 plus 1 by 2 into minus 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3 into minus 2 whole square, that is 12 minus 8 plus 1 by minus 4 plus 1, that is equal to 12 plus 1 13. 13 minus 8, this is 5 by minus 4 plus 1, this is equal to minus 3. Therefore the value of f of minus 2 is equal to minus 5 by 3. If y is equal to tan of cos inverse x, then dy by dx is equal. Here take cos inverse x is equal to t. That means cos t is equal to x. This is right angle triangle, cos t means this is x1. Opposite side is 1 minus x square. Therefore y is equal to tan of cos inverse x, that is tan t. That is y is equal to tan t is root over 1 minus x square by x. This is t. So take differentiation, that is dy by dx is equal to, this is u by v method, that is x into root 1 minus x square differentiation, 1 by 2 root 1 minus x square into 1 minus x square derivation is minus 2x minus root over 1 minus x square into derivative of x is 1 by x square. Here 2 cancel, that is equal to minus x square by root 1 minus x square minus root 1 minus x square by x square. That is equal to, take LCM, that is minus x square minus of root 1 minus x square into root 1 minus x square. That is 1 minus x square by x square into root over 1 minus x square. That is minus x square minus 1 plus x square by x square into root over 1 minus x square. X square cancel. Therefore dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by x square into root over 1 minus x square. If y is equal to 1 by x plus cos 2x, then d square y by dx square is. So here is y is equal to 1 by x plus cos 2x. Take differentiation with respect to x, that is dy by dx is equal derivative of 1 by x, that is minus 1 by x square plus cos 2x differentiation, that is minus sine 2x into 2x derivation is 2, that is equal to minus 1 by x square minus 2 sine 2x. Therefore again differentiation with respect to x, that is d square y by dx square is equal to minus 1 by x square derivation, that is minus 2 by x cube minus 2 into sine 2x derivation, this is 2 cos 2x, that is equal to 2 by x cube minus 4 cos 2x, that is equal to 2 by x cube minus 4 into cos 2x from the problem, that is y minus 1 by x. So that is equal to 2 by x cube minus 4y plus 4 by x. This is the required answer. D by dt of tan t plus t square into cosec ht, that is equal to d by dt of tan t plus d by dt of t square into cosec ht, that is equal to d by dt of tan t, this is secant square t plus d by dt of t square into cosec ht. This is UV method, that is d by dt of t square into cosec ht plus t square into d by dt of cosec ht, that is equal to secant square t plus d by dt of t square. This is 2t into cosec ht plus t square into d by dt of cosec ht, that is minus cosec ht into cot ht. So that is equal to secant square t plus 2t into cosec ht minus t square into cosec ht into cot ht. Side of an equilateral triangle is 5 units and the measuring the side error is 0.05 units is made, then the percentage error in measuring the area of the triangle. Here equilateral side of a equilateral triangle is taken as x, that is x is equal to 5, and error in its, that is delta x is given, that is 0.05. Area of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 into x square. Now we find the percentage error in the area, that is 100 into delta a by a. Now we find this value, that is 100 into delta a, so that is root 3 by 4 into x square derivation, that is 2x into delta x by area, that is root 3 by 4 into x square. Here root 3 by 4, root 3 by 4 cancelled, 1x cancelled, that is equal to 2 into 100, 200 into delta x by x, that is equal to 200 into delta x, 0.05 by 5, that is 200 into 0.05, that is 5 into 2, 10 is 10 by 5, that is equal to 2. This is the percentage error measuring in the area of the triangle. The equation of curve C is transformed to x square plus y square minus 6x plus 8y plus 21 is equal to 0 by the rotation of coordinate axis about the origin through an angle pi by 4 in the positive direction of x-axis. If ax square plus by square plus cx plus dy plus e is equal to 0 is the equation of the curve C before the transformation, then a plus b plus c square plus d square minus 5e whole square is equal to 0 is, that is we know that, so that is capital X is equal to small x cos theta plus y sin theta, and capital Y is equal to minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. Here theta is given pi by 4. Substituting in this, that is capital X is equal to small x cos pi by 4 plus small y into sin pi by 4, that is equal to cos 45 sin 45 1 by root 2, that is x plus y by root 2. This is capital X value. And capital Y is equal to minus x sin pi by 4 plus y cos pi by 4. Here cos pi by 4 sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Capital Y is equal to minus x plus y by root 2. Substituting these values in the given equation, that is x square plus y square minus 6x plus 8y plus 21 is equal to 0. That is x square, x plus y by root 2 whole square plus y square minus x plus y by root 2 whole square minus 6 into x plus y by root 2 plus 8 into minus x plus y by root 2 plus 21 is equal to 0. This is x plus y by root 2 whole square, that is x square plus y square plus 2xy by 2 plus this is x square plus y square minus 2xy by 2 minus 6 by root 2, that is 3 root 2 into x plus y plus 8 by root 2, that is 4 root 2 into minus x plus y plus 21 is equal to 0. Here take LCM, this is 2xy minus 2xy cancel, x square plus x square, that is 2x square by 2 plus y square plus y square, this is 2y square by 2, here 2 cancel, minus 3 root 2 into x plus y plus 4 root 2 into minus x plus y plus 21 is equal to 0. This is x square plus y square. Take x common, that is x into minus 3 root 2 minus 4 root 2. This is minus 7 root 2. And take y common. Here minus 3 root 2 plus 4 root 2. That is root 2 plus 21 is equal to 0. This is given in the problem. This is ax square plus by square plus cx plus dy plus e is equal to 0. Equating these two, that is a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 7 root 2, and d is equal to root 2, and e is equal to 21. Substituting in this, that is a plus b plus c square plus d square minus 5e whole square, that is a 1 plus 1 plus c square 49 into 2, that is 98 plus d square 2 minus 5e 5 into 21, that is 105 whole square, that is equal to 98 plus 2 102 minus 105 whole square, that is equal to minus 3 whole square is equal to 9. So this is the, so this value is minus 9. This is 9 plus 9.